You're both so good, you both deserve it. And
Oh my god. There. Yeah.
I don't take personally. It's not about who I like or not. But I choose for this person because I think he's more yeah.
Oh, ang hirap. Sobrang hirap. Oh?
Yan si Gemma, umiiyak na.
Forward church. Tomorrow? Huh? Yes. But is that tomorrow like that? All of us. Like that. Ang hirap, grabe.
Kailan talaga direct mag... Tsaka meron kami sasabihin.
Kasi tribal na lang sila.
I don't know what to say. You put the sir. You put the sir.
Parang buhok ko. Kasi dito yung buhok na. Hello, Pagino. Oh, Papa. Oh, oh,
Ayaw na niya everything. Gusto ko sa bad boy.
So, walang hindi pwede akong huli, pwede akong gano'n. We will arrange and let's say. Okay. Tomorrow, the first 13, offhand, our plan is the first 13, we'll just open the card. One at a time, lalapit pa rin, open the card, David, sino binoto mo? Open the card. Out. June, sino binoto mo? Lapit mo, step forward, open the card. 13. The last 5, because 8 will be voting, the last 5 will be saying their piece. I know it will be difficult, but you will all have different reasons for voting. It can be anything. It can be friendship. It can be about who's better as a singer in your own perception.
So, if you get saved, something saved, if you get saved,
wala naman paraan para save wala na para save yung isa. Laro lang to. However you set yourselves up, tomorrow when you get there, you will still be nervous about it. So the best thing to do is not think about it and even talk about it. Kasi saan nyo lang, lalo na kayo maayos sa game.
Then when is the next nomination?
Monday.
Oh, it's Monday.
But tomorrow you will be judged. Okay, the jury will decide already tomorrow kung sino will be nominated by Monday. So sa Monday, everybody in the morning during your classes, you will be divided into groups. Okay. Pasagad pa lang natin malalaman kung sino ipupulang sa production of news. Dahil sila yung may solo performances. And And then starting next week, iba pinapangunahan ko si Headmaster as well para alam na i-sense it. Starting next week, aside from the four nominees, we will be having a Star Scholar. That Star Scholar is a title for it's based on the performance in the week. The teachers feel you did well, you have an opportunity to perform. So, the only time kasi you get to to showcase your musicality, to perform solo. Pag group naman parang you have to shine.
Do you get to choose your own song po?
You have to discuss with your headmaster. Kasi dito, ang labanan na is to people to hear you how you sing.
Paano yung sa Monday po na may bago nomination, sa umaga pa lang po alam namin. Saan po dito na po sa bahay?
Will be live.
Yes.
Tapos after po na malaman yung 4, mag-pull out sabi po.
Kasi na-assign na sa umaga yung kantahin ng grupo for Saturday. Usually, di ba, normally, you know what to sing, right?